friends, it's Miss Madeline from the Beaufort County Library. I'm here today in my backyard to show you a little bit about garden science, about planting seeds and the things that we have online, books and resources that you can use at home. So come on into my garden. So here I am right next to my garden, and I don't have much yet because I got a late start, but I do have a couple tomato plants and some asparagus coming up. So take a look. This is one of my tomato plants. And here's some of my asparagus. I have purple asparagus growing, and it comes out of the ground. These ones that you see here are from last year, and these are the new ones for this year. This is my pepper plant. The brown tubing that you see in these pictures is actually helping me to water the garden. It's called irrigation. This is my blueberry bush. Can you see the tiny little blueberries that are starting to grow? These are my fig trees. They've just opened up their leaves, but if you look real close, we have some figs growing. They won't be ready until July or so, but they'll be purple and so yummy. Now that you've seen my garden, I want to show you where the seeds actually start, in my greenhouse. Let's go check it out. These are some of the seeds I've started in my greenhouse. This one is a green Bibb lettuce. And here are some cucumbers. This is another type of lettuce, but it hasn't all come up yet. See how tiny they are? Over here are my flowers. When you're growing seeds, you have to be very patient and make sure they have enough water to drink and a warm home to grow in. Now, I know you want to start your own seeds, so if you don't have soil and seed packets and cups or even yogurt cups at home, I'll show you a way to grow a seed in your kitchen in a plastic bag. I bet you've done it at school already. Come on in and I'll show you how. Welcome to my kitchen. Here I'm going to show you how to germinate a bean. Yeah, some of the beans that we eat, but they've got to be the dry ones, not the ones from the can. Let me show you. You need 3 things to get started. A Ziploc baggie, a coffee filter, or you can use a paper towel. I just didn't have any at my house. And beans. You only need 1 though. First, you're going to get the coffee filter wet. Next, you're going to put your bean in your coffee filter and put your coffee filter and your bean in the plastic bag. Make sure your bean is wrapped up really tight inside of here. And there we go. Can you see the bean? Now it's time to tape it onto a window. I'm taping mine right to my kitchen window so I can keep my eye on it. And there you have it. For you adventurers out there, you can always take a yogurt cup or something like that, poke a hole in the bottom and get some dirt from the yard and plant your seed in that and try it. Have fun, and don't forget to check out these resources on Hoopla. Here are some of the books you can find and check out on Hoopla. You have 8 checkouts a month. You can click on any of these books, and some of them are even read-along books, so they'll narrate the book while you read it to help you with reading. We hope to see you really soon at the Beaufort County Library. For now, you can find us online at www.beaufortcountylibrary.org.